Hey folks, back with a quick unboxing here. Want to start off with reminding many of you that if you read my reviews, or those of you who read my reviews would know that I had total knee replacement surgery on my right knee, and I'm in rehabilitation before I do the left knee. So this came up for review from COMFIER, and it's a knee massager. Pretty simple device, so I thought I'd open it up for you before I try it out and then let you know exactly what I think about it. The box came a little tattered and messed up from FedEx. Not sure whether, I think it was FedEx's problem because the package remained an exception for quite a few days. Open it up, very simple. Let me pull this out and take off the plastic to make this easy. There's the device. There is the USB-C charging cable. There is a sticker, nice to meet you, and the manual. Flip the device over. It's got the strap for me to strap around my knee, and it's got the sensors and etc. in the middle that provide the heat or everything. It also has them on the side I can feel, and the top and the bottom. So we'll see exactly what radiates from what and how it feels. On the front, the top here, you've got the control button. There's a power button, heat button, massaging button. Let's see if we can find here on the top. Get in the frame, you've got the USB-C charging port. And that's the entire device. So I'm going to test it out on my very sore knee. And when I'm done, I'll write a review. And you can check it out using the link in the description of this video. See you soon.